Trace circles on the window, name ghosts I cannot know. Your coat still hangs by the front door, like you might walk back in. I keep talking to the kettle, just to hear something rattle. Steam rising in the half-light, where your laughter used to live. I got a glass heart and neon rain. Every color just magnifies the pain. You said love bends and never breaks, but I'm sweeping up the edges of your name. I got a glass heart and neon rain, trying not to cut my hands again. You fade out like a late night train, and I'm standing in the dark again. Your old playlist in the kitchen skips the song we first kissed in. I still flinch when the bridge hits, like it texts me any second. Oh, neighbors flicker through the hallway, someone laughs like it's a good day. I lean back against the cold wall, let the quiet cover me. I got a glass heart and neon rain. Every color just magnifies the pain. You said love bends and never breaks, but I'm sweeping up the edges of your name. I got a glass heart and neon rain, trying not to cut my hands again. You fade out like a late night train, and I'm standing in the dawn again. If you call me now, would I let you in? Would I lock the door just to breathe again? I replay that night till the lines all blur. Was it me? Was it you? Or the weight of the world? I got a glass heart and neon rain. Every color just magnifies the pain. You said love bends and never breaks, but I'm sweeping up the edges of your name. I got a glass heart and neon rain, learning how to hold it in my hands. You fade out like a late night train, but I'm stepping from the dark into the rain.